준비됐나요?
네.
11 주소연 준비됐으면 시작.
Hello, my name is Yoon. Last weekend, I went to my grandmother's house with my family. Grandma was doing laundry in the yard. I watched my grandmother. She didn't throw away the water. Instead, she used it to clean the yard. I was surprised, so I did some research. I found out that this kind of water is called gray water. Gray water is water that has been used widely for washing hands or clothes. It is not as dirty as black water, so we can reuse it for various purposes like gardening or flushing toilets. Using gray water is a way to protect our precious water resources. Conserving our vital water resources make this world a better place for everyone to live. Did you know that over 70% of our planet's surface is covered with water? Okay, that's easy. I learned that in the first grade of elementary school, but the water we can use for drinking is less than 1% of the total water on planet Earth. This small amount of water should be shared by the people in the global village. They whom 8 billion. That sounds tricky. That's right, we make the habit of saving water. Luckily, gray water muscles easy enough that everyone can follow through with this practice, even children like us. In fact, we use gray water at our daycare center. Many ways we store the rainwater we use in non-tangle gardening. This way, we save water for drinking when you're thirsty. Would you like to take the next time you start? Please use gray water. Thank you for listening to my speech. Have a nice day.